Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you the best SteelSeries Sonar settings for Destiny 2. So what you'll need to do is basically click on the link in my description if you want to import the config, or if you don't want to import like that, you can just copy my settings from the SteelSeries Sonar. So what you'll need to do is go to the game right here where it says when select preset, make sure to select a custom preset, and then you can copy my settings. So for the equalizer, make sure to go and copy my points. I will pause my cursor on some of them. If it is not enough, just pause my video. I don't want to make the video so long. And bass, it will be at 0 decibels, voice at 0 decibels, treble at 0 decibels, and spatial audio, it is turned on, but you can turn it off and test that out. And also you can test speaker mode. So it is your own preference to use or not. And for the volume boost, it is gain at 4 decibels. The smart volume is turned off. You can test that out too, but for me, it's good enough without smart volume. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the settings for audio in SteelSeries Sonar. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.